Magazzu, and I am the managing partner of the Magazzu law firm located in Vineland, New Jersey, with offices in Atlantic City, Trenton, and Vineland. I've done nearly $4 billion of transactional work, malls, assisted living facilities, cable TV, cellular telephone companies, and now most recently cannabis. And I've been successful in 4 cannabis applications since 2018 in New Jersey. I was very impressed with the marketing, the sense of purpose, the fact that it was an opportunity to interact with people in a smaller, a more intimate venue, and of course the guy who puts it all together is just a fireball, very impressive. So it was a mix of things. I've been to several, including the very largest in Las Vegas, as well as meetups, which are smaller. And this is a terrific middle size because there is the opportunity for one-on-one interaction with folks in a more personal way, and yet at the same time it has sufficient width and breadth that I know that I'm going to meet people of consequence that will present opportunities for my practice. As much as anything else, I go to these conferences to learn, and I want to walk away smarter from the other people who are here. To some extent, I'm hopeful that I can impart some knowledge, and it would really be a bonus if I picked up a couple of clients. Recently, my fiancée lost her only child, 27, to an overdose, a spectacular young woman. And I really see cannabis not as an entry drug, but as an exit ramp off of opioids. And I know when she was using cannabis, she had no cravings for opioids, and the true person came out. And I think that it's high time, and I'm a former county official, county commissioner, I think it's time, well over time, to start looking at cannabis as part of the solution, not the solution, but part of the solution to the opioid crisis. Beyond that, Susan and I are going to be announcing on September 8th, we're creating a foundation in her daughter's name where we use some of the funds to assist women who are in halfway houses get ready for job interviews. We're going to assist them with their aesthetics and presentations and things like that because they need that component. But with respect to the cannabis, the reality is the pharmaceutical industry and a bunch of crooked politicians 100 years ago crushed cannabis as an alternative therapy, and now it's coming back. And I hope at this part of my career that I can not only help people get licenses, which is enormously rewarding, all my clients are social equity clients, but also begin a dialogue in the mainstream of how cannabis can be a modality to assist folks that are otherwise suffering from opioid or other type of addictions.